Hello, my name is Sangita Myska and I'm a news correspondent at BBC News. I'm also the presenter of Positive Thinking on BBC Radio 4. Welcome to my very small urban garden. And when I say small, I mean it. It's about 15 steps from the back of the house behind you all the way up to that back fence, and then it's about 5 steps across. There was a time I used to bitterly complain about it, but no more. Lockdown has taught me that this little patch of land here, very close to London, Zone 3, has been an absolute piece of heaven for me. And whoever said size matters was wrong. So the first thing most people notice when they come to this garden is that all of the plants are in pots. The other thing they notice is the terrible state of repair of the fences, but that's a whole nother story. The pots came about because we redid this house from scratch, thought we were going to sell it and move on, and we didn't because we love it. The plants have remained in the pots, and it's been tough this April because we haven't really had enough rain, and I've been a bit lazy about the watering, but they're just about surviving. The other big problem, of course, is in fact the shade that results because of these fences. Now, this is a west-facing garden. Even then I have lots of problems because the neighbours have big trees. So I've chosen a range of plants that suit any weather conditions. That's Fatsia, the bamboo, the azaleas you'll see here, and also the hydrangeas. They're really, really good in low light conditions. And of course, the thing I love most in a small garden is symmetry. That's because I've travelled a lot and I love the Mogul gardens and the garden in the Alhambra and that really symmetrical design, especially you see in bits of Southeast Asia as well. I always believe in a big centrepiece, one that reflects who you are. So I have my seated Buddha. So normally by this time of year, I would have had lots of pots in the back garden like this, planted up for a pop of colour. So geraniums, obviously one of my favourites because they don't need very much water. This year I've been really working quite hard, so I haven't had time, but I'm looking forward to doing that as we progress into the summer. So one of the best things I ever invested in was a very spur of the moment thing. It was getting an outdoor plug put into the garden, and this is why. This is my nighttime garden.